feel the music. Educating through music, enriching lives, bringing dreams to reality, giving more meaning to life. Educating through music, enriching lives, bringing dreams to reality, giving more meaning to life. Touching hearts, touching souls, turning frowns into smiles, empowering our hearts with the energy to cross 1,000,000 miles. Touching hearts, touching souls, turning frowns into smiles, empowering our hearts with the energy to cross 1,000,000 miles. We got a school of music, where the music always flows. We got a school of music, where the knowledge always grows. We got a school of music, where the musicians are born. We got a school of music, we name it proudly adore. Good evening, everyone. I hope you all are doing fine and awesome. So, welcome back to the 9th episode of Fun Learn Day. So, my name is Nilesh Singh, and I am going to be your teacher for today's session. So, I am sure that you all are familiar with percussion family and string family and had a lot of fun with it. So, today I am going to introduce you a most famous and renowned instrument called a keyboard. So, before we get into a learning mode, so here is a sweet dedicated song to all the viewers who are right now viewing. कुछ पाने की हो आस आस कोई अरमा हो जो खास का आशाएं 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 हर कोशिश में हो बार बार करे दरियाओं को आर पार आशाएं 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 तूफानों को चीर के मंजिलों को झीले आशाएं खिले उम्मीदें हंसे अब मुश्किल नहीं कुछ भी नहीं कुछ भी आशाएं खिले उम्मीदें हंसे की अब मुश्किल नहीं कुछ भी नहीं कुछ भी. So now let's start to learn this keyboard. So how do we play this? Okay, so we play this with our lovely fingers. Okay, so this is the thumb, which is your finger number 1, and the next finger is finger number 2, the next finger is finger number 3, and the next finger is finger number 4, and the next finger is finger number 5. All right. So now, same with the left hand. Okay. So raise your left hand up. Now, the thumb of your left hand is finger number 1, and the finger number 2, and finger number 3, finger number 4, and finger number 5. Great. All right. So now, as you can see on your keyboard, there are pattern of 2 black keys and pattern of 3 black keys. Yes, exactly. Now, before every pattern of 2 black keys, there is one white key. So that white key is called as C. Great. All right. So now let's put our thumb of right hand on that C. Ready? Okay. Now the next finger number 2 of your right hand on the next white key, which is your D. Okay. Now the finger number 3 on the next white key, which is E. The finger number 4 on next white key, which is F. And the last, your pinky finger on the finger number, which is finger number 5 on G. Great. All right. So now as we go further from G comes A, then B, then C. So in Indian music, we can say Sa, Re, Ga, Ma, Pa, Dha, Ni, Sa. So in Western, it is C, D, E, F, G, A, B, and the next is again C. So in Indian music we call it Sare Gama Pada Nisa, and in Western music it called as C major scale. All right. So now let's learn a one small and a nice song, okay, which is called a hot cross bar. All right. So now let's again raise your right hand up. Okay. So now again we will put our thumb on C, finger number two on D, and the finger number three on E. Okay. So now I will say like this: ready, steady, E, play. So you will play E. Great. Now ready, steady, D, play, and ready, steady, C, play. So it sounded like E, B, C. So we will play this twice. So it will sound like this: E, B, C, E, B, C. Now we will play C note four times. So it will sound like this. Can you all play that? Let's play together. Very good. Now let's play D four times together. Very good. Now again, what the first we played EDC, we will play that thing again in the last, which is very nice. So the normal finger numbers are 3, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 2, 2, 2, 2, 3, 2, 1. Well done. Very nice. So now let's listen to the notes of this song once again. Listen. E, B, C, E, B, C, 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 D, 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 E, B, C. Wow. So did you all just notice that this song in just three notes, which is C, D, E, right? So now let me tell you that let's listen to this song once again. I'll show you one a short glimpse of it. So now I hope that you all got how to play this song in a whole. So do you all remember that in the beginning I told you all that there are various kinds of sounds in this keyboard and the beats. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to add some sounds and beats in it. So let's listen how does it sound. So now I have added a Brit rock style beat and also I have added strings which will be going together play with piano. All right. So now let's listen to it. fun, right? So, just in the past few minutes, we learned a very simple song. Well, with a proper guidance and coach, anything is possible. And we are here to help you with that. So reach out to us via on Facebook page, Instagram page, or on our very own website, which is FSM Buddy site. So just see a small glimpse of it.
In today's times, creativity is the need of the hour, and what better way to cultivate it than by indulging in various forms of art? Presenting FSM Buddy, your one stop destination to everything that screams creativity: music, art, craft, sound production, dance, languages, drama. Log on for live lessons which give you instant feedback and personal direction, all from the comfort of your own lovely home. These sessions are conducted by our amazing community of teachers. Come on then, unleash your creative power. Start your online learning journey with FSM Buddy today.
So I hope you all have taken a note of it. So it's time for me to say goodbye. So wish you a very happy Diwali and a belated happy Children's Day. So goodbye, stay safe and stay healthy.